Hello everyone, this is Los Zocos Impressive Hotel, review in Costa Teguise, Lanzarote.
A great run family hotel, with kids club and activities throughout the day to keep the young ones busy, also suited for couples.
We had a great 3-night stopover here, so let's get started. Welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy our review, as it helps out the channel massively. Thank you. When you enter the hotel lobby, you will see it's not the largest in the world, but it does its job. There is just one check-in desk for all, and the staff are very friendly. A few seats in the center and toilets off to your right. Leaving the entrance lobby, you can head right, and the first part of the hotel you will see is the Agua Marina bar. This is the main evening entertainments area. We found the entertainments a bit up and down, although we were not there in the height of the season. The mini disco is also in here, and the children always seem to be having fun, as the own hotel's entertainment staff really played their part in getting all the young ones involved. Along from Agua Marina, you have the main restaurant, El Midador. Here is where you will have your main meals, breakfast, lunch and evening meal, depending on what board basis you have when you are staying here. We found the food here was great, plenty of choice and a good variety, all served buffet style. We could not fault the food, and the staff were so helpful, and there was plenty of seating area inside and outside.
Another one of the hotel's restaurants is the El Boulevard, which is outside the main hotel in the galley bar. Here they do Oriental and Indian meals, but not on certain nights of the week, so it would be well worth checking on which night you would prefer to go. Food is also available throughout the day in the pool bar areas. This one here, however, is for premium all-inclusive guests only. This is the main snacks restaurant and bar, which is situated right by the main family pool area, mainly self-service, so you can keep everyone stocked up with snacks, drinks, and of course ice cream.
This is the main pool area, where all the daily activities are run, and it has a real family fun feel to it, and plenty of sun beds, and also some secluded areas out of the sun. Just up from the main pool area there is a mini golf pitch, where you can take a breather from the pool with the little ones. This area is also where you will find the kids club. Just opposite is a walkthrough which takes you to the second pool area. We also used this walkthrough to give you easy access from the second pool area to the main bar area. You can also head to the second pool area from the entrance lobby. Just turn to your left and follow the path. This pool area is the quieter of the two, it has a much more relaxed feel to it. This is the pool we used most as we were a couple staying here. There is a small bar here where you can get your drinks throughout the day and ice cream but no food. You need to go to the main bar area for your food. As you can see, it is a lot quieter here. And part of the pool has 2 swimming lanes for the more energetic of us. The paths and gardens are kept really tidy here, so as you pass through it has some great scenery while you are on your way back to the rooms. Here you have 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartments, and also studios for the larger families. All rooms are fully equipped, with fridge, kettles, plates, cutlery. No matter what board basis you are on. They are clean, but maybe could do with a bit of modernization. You also have a small terrace or balcony. As we mentioned before by the pool, for the more energetic of us, the hotel has a volleyball pitch, numerous tennis courts, and a small fully equipped gym, which is there for everyone to use. We hope you have enjoyed our review of the Los Zocos Impressive. We really enjoyed our stay here. It is right in the heart of the resort. And the beach is a short walk away, with shops and a supermarket all close by, everything on your doorstep. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews, and thank you for watching.